Hello?
Hey girl, how you doing?
Hey, girl.
I heard you was Lil Kim for Halloween.
Yeah, I was.
You need to show me how to do that.
Okay, I got you.
Not for real now. It's Lil Kim the Queen Bee, so you best take heed.
Shall
Shall
I
I
proceed?
proceed?
Yes,
Yes
indeed.
indeed. So you know what I'm talking about.
Okay, after you put your hair in a ponytail, you're gonna flexi rod the hair around the perimeter with your favorite foam.
Okay, my wig is synthetic, so how am I curly and then dry it?
Boil a pot of water and then hover your wig each section over the pot for 1 minute and let it air dry.
Oh, okay, so instead of dipping the whole thing in water, just have the hair over the steam and let it steam?
Exactly. And use small rods so the curls can be real tight and so it won't take too long to dry.
Okay, cause I ain't got all day. Hey, but I still see that black cap showing, so how you gonna hide that?
To hide the black cap and the crochet knots, you're gonna tease some of the curls in the front with a comb. All you're doing is combing the hair backwards towards the base so it can bunch up, if that makes sense.
Okay, bunch up like my booty at my thong. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so I took the remaining hair that I steamed in the water and I'm gonna fill in some of these gaps right here in the front so it can make it look a little fuller. See the difference?
Okay, yeah, I see it. So what you doing? Crocheting the top now?
Yep, I'm gonna crochet the rest of the curly hair on top of it. Then I'm gonna cut the hair around my edges so it can frame my face. Then I'll be done. Call me back.
And I will.